Hi all, my name is Ravi. So today I'm going to discuss about various kinds of computing paradigms. So first of all, what is computing? A computing is a process of utilizing computer technology to complete a task. The computing may involve computer hardware or software, but must involve some form of computer system. It includes designing, developing, and building hardware and software system, processing, managing various kinds of information. Different types of computing paradigms: distributed computing, cluster computing, grid computing, utility computing, and cloud computing. So first of all, distributed computing. A distributed computing is defined as a type of computing where multiple computer systems work on a single problem. Here, all the computer systems are linked together and the problem is divided into sub-problem where each part is solved by different computer system. The goal of distributed computing is to increase the performance and efficiency of the system and ensure fault tolerance. In the below diagram, each processor has its own local memory and all the processors communicate with each other over a network. Second one is cluster computing. A cluster is a group of independent computers that work together to perform the given task. Cluster computer is defined as a type of computing that consists of two or more independent computers referred to as nodes that work together to execute tasks as a single machine. The goal of cluster computing is to increase the performance, scalability, and simplicity of the system. Advantages of cluster computing. Some of the major advantages of cluster computing are manageability, single system image, and high availability. In the cluster, software is automatically installed and configured, and the node of the cluster can be added and managed easily. So, it is an open system that is very easy to deploy and cost effective to acquire and manage. Cluster computing contains some disadvantages also. It is hard to manage cluster computing without experience. Grid computing. Grid computing is defined as a type of computing where it is consists a network of computers that work together to perform the tasks that may be difficult for a single machine to handle. All the computers on that network work under the same umbrella and are termed as a virtual supercomputer. Advantage of grid computing. One of the advantages of grid computing is that enterprises don't have to buy large servers for application that can be split up and found out the smaller commodity type servers. Second, it's most efficient in the use of resources. Grid environments are much more modular and policies in the grid can be managed by the grid software. And the next one will be the utility computing. Utility computing is a service providing model in which a service provider makes computing resources and infrastructure management available to the customers as per the need and charges them for specific usage rather than a fixed rate. It has the advantage of low cost with no initial cost to afford the computer resources. Advantage of utility computing are pay per use. Since a user pays only for usage, the cost of utility computing is pay per use. We pay for the number of server of instance that we use in the cloud. Next one is easy to scale. It is easy to scale up the operations in utility computing. There's no need to plan for time consuming and costly hardware purchase. The last one is maintenance. In cloud computing, maintenance of server is done by cloud provider, so a user can focus on its core business. It need not spend the time and resource on the maintenance of server in cloud. Utility computing is also known as an on-demand computing. Then finally, we will discuss about cloud computing. Cloud is defined as a usage of someone else's server to host, process, or store data. Cloud computing is defined as a type of computing where it is delivery of a on-demand computing service over the internet on a pay-as-you-go basis. It is widely distributed, network-based, and user-forced storage. Advantage of cloud computing are backup and restore data. Once the data is stored in the cloud, it is easy to get backup and restore the data using the cloud. Second one is improved collaboration. Cloud application improve collaboration by allowing groups of people to quickly and easily share information in the cloud via shared storage. Low maintenance cost. Cloud computing reduces both hardware and software maintenance cost for organization. And finally, mobility. Cloud computing allows us to easily access all cloud data via mobile. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you and have a nice day.